The role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world. It is responsible for the physical environment and interact. From houses and schools to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers, construction contributes directly to the infrastructure. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services as we know them. The foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. People have built shelters to protect themselves from elements and wild animals. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of architecture, engineering, and urban life. Today, is no longer just about survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security and comfort for families. Schools offer places for children to give people access to life-saving medical care. Offices and factories are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without economic impact. The construction industry plays a significant role in the economy. It creates millions of jobs worldwide. Engineers, architects, project managers, laborers, electricians, plumbers. Construction also supports many other industries, such as manufacturing, mining, transportation, and real estate. In developing countries, construction is often a key driver of building new roads, railways, airports, trade opportunities, and connect people to new markets. In urban areas, real estate development can attract investors, increase profitability, and stimulate local businesses. Furthermore, construction projects provide a building a bridge creates jobs during construction, but it also helps people travel more efficiently for decades to come. This increases productivity and improves access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. Social and cultural significance. Construction is not only about function, it also reflects culture and identity. The design of buildings, public spaces, and monuments tells the story of a society's history, beliefs, and values. In many cities, architecture defines the skyline and creates a sense of place. In Paris, the Great Wall of China, or the pyramids of Egypt. These structures are not only engineering marvels, but also cultural symbols. And sustainable design show a commitment to environmental responsibility and innovation. Construction also plays a role in improving social equality. Buildings public transportation systems reduce poverty, good urban planning, reduce overcrowding, promote healthier, more livable communities. Environmental concerns. Despite its many benefits, construction also has a major impact on the environment. It consumes large amounts of energy. It produces waste, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Poorly planned construction can lead to deforestation, soil erosion, and destruction of wildlife habitats. Therefore, the construction industry is increasing pressure to become more sustainable. This means using eco-friendly materials, reducing energy consumption, recycling construction waste, and designing buildings that are more energy efficient. More popular solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and reduce the environmental impact. Cities are also investing in green spaces, bike lanes, and smart infrastructure to create more sustainable urban environments. Technology is transforming the construction industry in exciting ways. Innovations such as 3D printing, drones, and information modeling are making construction faster and safer. For example, 3D printing can be used to create drones can survey land and monitor construction sites in real time. BIM allows engineers and architects to design buildings digitally, identify problems before they happen. Automation and robotics are also changing how construction work is done. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, or perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury and repairs. The These technologies are not only increasing productivity, but also helping address labor shortages. Challenges ahead. Despite these advancements, the construction industry still faces many challenges. These include skilled labor shortages, project delays, and safety concerns. Corruption and expenditure can also be problems, especially in large public projects. Climate change is another major challenge. As sea levels rise, buildings and infrastructure must be designed to withstand harsh conditions. Resilient construction will be essential in the future. In addition, the industry must address issues of affordability. Housing prices are rising faster than incomes, leading to housing shortages and homelessness. Governments work together.
Not something you see every day.
In conclusion, construction is much more than just building structures. It's about building the future. It influences the economy, shapes society, and impacts the environment. As the world continues to grow and change, the construction industry must adapt, innovate, and take responsibility for a sustainable world. Whether it's building homes for families, bridges that connect with people, or schools that educate future generations, construction remains one of the most important forces shaping human life. The role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world today. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment, housing, hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. Construction contributes directly to the infrastructure and development of the country. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services. The foundation of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves from the elements.
Oh my God! That was a whole pallet of plasterboards falling.
The construction industry plays a significant role in the economy of every nation. It engineers, architects, and project managers to skilled laborers, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many other industries, such as manufacturing, mining, and developing countries. Construction